The cookie of the day today is Reese's chocolate chip cookies. Oh, these are so good and so easy to make. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And boy, we sure need the old ways even more these days. Today we're making Reese's chocolate chip cookies. Stick with us, Rebel Canners. These are kind of really neat. Spread out your cookie dough evenly across your cookie sheet, just like you would if you were baking regular chocolate chip cookies. And then on each of those pieces of cookie dough, and this can be store-bought or homemade, it really doesn't matter. You can disguise your store-bought cookie dough with this recipe. You can add 1 Reese's Pieces miniature peanut butter cup. Oh, and wait for it. That's not all. Let's get these all laid out, and then I'm going to show you the real secret to this cookie. What are you doing now, Becca?
Putting hot fudge on the cookies. Because, you know, the best thing about chocolate chip is chocolate.
So we got chocolate fudge, Reese's, a little chocolate volcano in each one.
Yes, Jackie, never forget the chocolate.
Never Reese's without chocolate.
You were pretty stingy on that one.
I know, I see that.
It's all right. I'll probably have to redo the audio on this because the fan is going anyway.
I know. I even cheated and used store-bought cookie dough. Usually I home make it, but I was cheating today.
That's all right.
There we go.
And now we're going to go ahead and put those cookies in the oven, and we want to bake them. Okay, once the oven's been preheated, go ahead and bake at 350 degrees for 18 minutes. These cookies look great on a cookie platter, something a little bit different and unexpected. So go ahead and enjoy, and they freeze well. Our latest Rebel Canning cookbook is Recipe Files from the group, and it is available on Amazon. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. So many more good recipes to come.